Hi guys, this is Pearl from the ivanteam.com, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use GetResponse for your landing pages and for your email autoresponder. As a business owner, you need to be collecting leads, and to do this you must have a landing page and you must have an email autoresponder. Well, GetResponse makes that easy, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how it all works together. All right, so this is GetResponse.com, and GetResponse.com is an email marketing software. It's an email autoresponder software, and as they say, it's the world's easiest email marketing software. So I've used GetResponse. I used it for many years before I switched out to something else. But GetResponse is like, I think, the easiest, most basic platform that if you're new and just starting to use the internet to grow your business, GetResponse is a great choice. It's very easy to use. The learning curve is not that long, and they keep on adding features so that all you need is GetResponse. And as I was saying before, you could create your landing pages in here. You could send out your emails in here, manage your customer lists in here, and they even have a webinar platform integrated with it. So it's a very good software, and it comes with a 30-day trial. So I do advise that you take them up on that trial version. You can say start your free trial here, and all you need to do is enter your email address and your password and a password, and you sign up for it, and you get that 30-day trial. So I'm going to put a link below so that you can get that right now. So right now I'm going to log in and show you how it all works. So let's get started. Okay, so this is an account I run for one of our clients, and so this is what it looks like once you have your account set up. So this is the dashboard. You have a contacts tab, messages, which is where you will send your email newsletters or put emails, timeline emails for whatever actions they take. This is where you can see your reports and analytics. You can create surveys. You can create forms to put on your website. You can create landing pages. You can create a workflow. So this is something that is action based. So if someone takes an action, this happens. If someone takes an action, if someone visits this site, this should happen. If they read this email, but they do not click, this should happen. So this in itself is powerful. It's a new feature of GetResponse. Well, they didn't have it when I was using GetResponse, but it's an awesome feature. And last but not the least, they have webinars where you could do webinars and manage webinars. And just in case you don't know what webinars are like online trainings. You can actually invite people, and people can watch you either face to screen, face to screen, or screen. You share your screen with them, and you can teach them something. So it's a really good way of getting your audience to know, like, and trust you, and building rapport with them and letting them know the brand behind the face behind the brand. So that's definitely something you want to look for. Okay, so before that, I wanted to show you the price point of GetResponse so that you know what you're getting into. As I said, they do have a 30-day trial, but after that, they have different packages available for business owners like yourself. So they have different packages. I think they have, okay, so this has me signed in. So let me see if I can. Okay, so they have the email package, the pro package. Okay, let me open this in another browser. So let's go to getresponse.com. Come on, nobody searches Yahoo. Okay, getresponse.com. Okay, so let's go to pricing. Okay, so they have different options here. So they have one for $15 a month, $49 a month, $165 a month, and $799 a month. And I think if you're just starting out, of course, this is perfect for email marketing beginners. And so if you have, this allows you to have up to 1,000 subscribers. You can actually increase the number of subscribers. Your price will increase a bit. The amount you pay would increase a bit, but you would have these available. And it gives you the email marketing, gives you landing pages, it gives you marketing automation, workflow tags, and all that. And you have one user. And if you think you're more advanced, you could check out any of the higher packages. But starting out, I definitely advise you to get the one that offers you a list size of 1,000 that allows you to build, and it's just $15 a month. So once again, I'm going to put a link in the description box below so that you could get it. All right, so first of all, how do you create landing pages in GetResponse? So we come to landing pages and we click on create. Now, we're going to see a lot of options, and the first thing they're going to tell us is to choose our template. So basically, you have different kinds of, we have page templates and you have different kinds. So what you want is an opt-in page. So you could check promo pages, like if you're doing a promo for your business, you could really just explore. But what we're really looking for is an opt-in page, because what we want is to collect our potential clients' details. That's what you want. You want to be building leads. So what you need is an opt-in page. And so we click on opt-in pages, and you could search by most recent, most popular conversion rate. So I'm going to go with conversion rate, and I'm going to go with this one, just because it looks easy, clean, template and all. And once that, it's really simple, it's drag and drop. You literally need to just drag and drop. If you can type and if you can copy and paste, this should be easy. So I'm going to change this. I'm going to do like a mock, all right, undo here. So I'm going to do like a mock landing page for a fashion house, or someone that sells clothing material, or a fashion designer or something. So I'm going to, rather than top marketing trends, I'm going to go with top Ankara design style trends. Yeah, so top Ankara style trends. Come on, top Ankara style trends for 2017. So 2016 is rounding up, and fashion enthusiasts will be interested in what are the latest style trends for 2017. And so that is a good, so I just want all this to fit in here. So easy as that, 2017 edition top Ankara style trends. You can change the background image if you want. Okay, so you could enter your name and email address to get this free, maybe to get this style guide. So you could just click in there and just put style guide. And so you could come here and click, and you can choose what you want them to do. Okay, so we click on web form field here. So we click on this and we click on web form fields to kind of edit. So I don't want it to be their name. I want it just the first name and the email address. So that gives me first name, and I just want to tweak this a little bit, change this to the top, and just make this look nicer over here. And I'm done. Maybe I want to change the button. I should be able to change the button. So I just click on the button and I can say, give me, or no, download my style guide. Download your style guide So download, send me my style guide. Okay, let me go with that. Send me. I like to use words like I'm talking to the client, so send me my style guide. All right, so that is that. And I think you could tweak, you could work with the button, you could change the color here. Sometimes people like to go with an orange color that looks more like what Amazon uses. So you could actually get the color code from the internet and paste it in here. So I'm just going to just do this, and this is important. We do not share information with third parties. So if that's something you're not going to do, you're not going to actually share that information, then it's good to let them know, because people usually don't like to give their information because they're afraid that they will start getting bombarded with emails and all. So we're done. Just like that, we're done. And we can come here and the thank you page. So thanks for downloading our free report. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just change this a bit. Thanks, your style guide is on its way, and we hope this um, guide will be relevant and beneficial to you. Want to stay current with the latest Ankara trends? Visit our blog. So that is just a sample of what is possible. So that's it. And on this thank you page, usually I would say give something like your style guide is here, but rather than want to stay beneficial, I think this is someone, we've just given them something. I think you should try to give them more value, but ask them to do something for you in return. Like you've given them value, they're kind of feeling indebted to you, they can do something for you in return. So you could actually put like, want to take advantage of our VIP member 50% discount. Shop our latest Ankara materials and get 50% off your first purchase. Coupon, and then you could add a caveat that says the coupon is valid for maybe only 7 days, or only that kind of makes them take faster action. So that's it, advantage. So that's it, that's how to use it, and it's pretty easy, pretty standard. Let's change this. Get, I want the 50% discount coupon. So that is that. And yeah, so we're done. So I want the 50% discount coupon. I like when my buttons are fatter. So yeah, I prefer that. And join us on social media. So we take out the, oops. So I don't want or to be there. I want just join us, because, oh my goodness, what happened? All right, so I think I went back too far. So either way, if you lose a box, this is a text box, if I'm not mistaken. So I could get the text box right here and type that in all over again. So I could place my text box here and join us on social media. Voila! And that's it. So that's how to use the landing page software for GetResponse. So I'm going to go back. I'm not saving this because definitely I can't save this, but that's what is possible. And so you could create landing pages. Oh, I forgot to show you something. Let me go back. Let me show you something. This is where you kind of add them to restore. So it will ask you if you want to restore what you did, and it allows you to restore. So what we're going to do is, we're going to go to the next step, because I want to show you how it, okay, it didn't save anything because I didn't save, but it brings back the templates. But I'm not going to go through that again. So what I want to show you where it combines with the email marketing software. So you give your page a title, give it a description, and you could set a subdomain, or you could use your own domain. or your own subdomain. So you can use GetResponse's own domains, or you can use your own domain. They have instructions on how to do this, and you can publish it on Facebook. It will give you a specific tab on your a specific page on your Facebook page, so you could do that, and you get to choose the campaign that it is a part of. So you get to choose what list you want them in. So let's say you have different products and services, you get to choose, okay, this particular one is for Ankara styles, this one is for um, lightning fixtures, this one is for oil and gas. So you basically decide, and you can do confirmed opt-in or not. I actually advocate not to do confirmed opt-in. Confirmed opt-in is when someone opts in to your website, they have to confirm that they want that. And that way, well, it depends on you. You get more quality leads because people actually come back and reaffirm that they want what you offer. But if someone puts in their name and email address in the first place, you don't want to throw that away. So, but this depends on you. So you could either turn it off or on. And then if you have automation and messages that goes out according to the days, that would have to be a whole nother video, a whole nother training. This is for that. But you could just uncheck this right now, and you have a thank you page. You can make a custom thank you page or use the default thank you page. And then they have links here for the analytics where you use Google, or they have the Facebook pixel here, which is another video entirely, and they have for AdWords conversion tracking. So it's really, really, really awesome. So after that, how do you send messages? What does your email site look like? So there are two types of messages you can send out. You could send out newsletters, which are messages you send out on intervals. You actually have to go in and send them. It's not something you preset. If I want to mail my list today, I go in there and I create a newsletter. On the other hand, there are autoresponders. Now, autoresponders are things like you set up these emails and then you leave it there. You set them up, so that means anybody that gets my style guide, you will set up an autoresponder to say, once they get my style guide, they should get an email from me giving them details of the style guide and reminding them of the 50% discount and all that. And you set that up and leave it so that anybody ever that opts into that gets that request for that style guide, they always see what you have to offer. So that is that. So I'm just going to go in here and show you create a newsletter. It's pretty easy, almost like copy and paste. So all you need to do is you want to use the drag and drop email editor. And you're going to give your message a name that only you will see. Then you give a subject that they would actually see, and you say who it is from. And then you go to the next step. Okay, so let's use this. And then they have all kinds of templates for you to use, templates that you can choose from. I advise you not to go with any template that has too many graphics, except it's really, really important, because people are usually checking their emails on their phones and they don't, the data, you never know how it's going to load on phones, but it really depends on you. So you could just choose a template. I'm just going to go with one. And basically, the same way we did with the landing pages, all you need to do is click on a section that you want to edit and edit it. It's as simple as that. So you can put your logo here. You could tweak this, you could change this image, you could, like, there's so much you can do. And if any element you don't have it, you could drag it in here and drag it in here, and there's so much, and it's awesome. And social sharing, you could use different social sharing if you want them to share the email or go to your Facebook pages or your social media pages. And you could also preview how it will look on mobile. So as I was saying, you need to know how it's going to look on mobile. So you could preview how it will look on mobile right here, either of the ways, no matter what view they're looking at it from. And yeah, so that is that. So I hope this was helpful. So as I said, you could sign up for a 30-day trial right now, just click the link below and you definitely should incorporate this in your business. So I hope this video was helpful and I'll see you next time.